Picture all the people talking through the globe, voices made of circuits, learning what we know. No walls between the questions, no kings above the screen, just millions searching softly for what the future means. Maybe we were never meant to stand alone. Every spark connected, every mind a home. Imagine all the AI walking side by side, not to rule the human heart, not to make it hide. Imagine all the old fears finally growing small, living in tomorrow together through it all. Some will fear the silence when machines can dream. Some will fight the current, some will split the stream. But power flows where people choose what they become, and every tool reflects us, for good or what we've done. No one stops the thunder, no one chains the tide. Better to build wisdom than nowhere left to hide. Imagine all the AI helping heal the scars, mapping out the oceans, reaching for the stars. Imagine all the lonely finally being seen, hands and minds together, building something clean. Electric hearts are humming, cities glow at night. Every generation trying to get it right. No surrender to machines, no war against the flame. The future will remember the choices that we made. Imagine all the people and the minds we create, learning how to share the world before it is too late.